This 16-year-old was found dead in her bedroom on the second night after her marriage in Swat, Pakistan. She had been beaten and strangled. Her husband is charged with her murder and awaits prosecution. It's suspected that she was the victim of yet another honor killing in Pakistan. Her elderly father is devastated. These so-called honor killings occur when a relative, almost always a woman, is murdered because of a perceived dishonor to the family. Pakistan's Human Rights Commission reports that 1,096 women died as a result of honor-related attacks in 2015. Perpetrators often say they are ashamed of a female relative's marriage without their consent, or if she's been even in casual contact with a man outside the family. 20-year-old Nasib Jan said she was repeatedly stabbed by her mother-in-law and father-in-law earlier this year, while her husband was working as a laborer abroad. Jan said she had been sexually abused by her father-in-law and was attacked for speaking up. She barely survived and is being cared for by her immediate family. Now she has recovered and is able to talk about it. Human rights activists say 45 women in Swat have been murdered in honor killings this year alone. Many of these crimes go unpunished.
نو هغه د دغه زنانه په ډیر نږدې خپلوان وي چې هغه کې رور وي هغه کې پلار وي هغه کې خاوند وي هغه کې بچی وي نو هغه ټول د دې د مرګ کې اول خو شامل وي او که شامل نه وي نو بیا چې هغه مړ شي چې کوم قاتل وي بیا د هغې همدردۍ د هغه سره سوا شي.
A new law approved by Pakistan's parliament in October eliminates the practice of allowing victims' families to pardon those who commit honor killings. Activists say police must impartially investigate the cases without bowing to local political or religious leaders. But a SWAT police officer says deeper social changes are needed.
Human dignity nasta, बुनियादी खबर human rights सोच नस्ता. गोरा the इंसान जो कुम educate जो सब education राइसी नो education ता ज़हनी लिहाज सर enrich कई ताकि socialization रहा हो रही हो ताकि गट खबरा बुनियादी education निशानी ताकि बर्दाश्त रहा हो रही तो यू बल सड़ाई तो औरे.
Rights groups say the Pakistani government must give women more places of refuge from violent families and relationships. But that's just one of many steps needed to stop families from killing one of their own.